So I choke on some, and the days blur into one. Backs of my eyes, things I've never done. Sheets are swaying from an old clothesline. Like a row of captured in grass. Never much, but we finger goes. Welcome
And when we are checking a cargo, there are many kinds of cargo, such as dangerous goods, radioactive materials, live plants, live animals, and cool room items, etc.
Especially when it comes to dangerous goods and radioactive material, they are divided into several classes. So it's the role of the cargo agent to classify this cargo accordingly.
Built around the basic flight dispatcher duties such as operational flight planning, calculation of fuel and load, selection of nav aids, and compliance with regulations, procedures, and amendments, the training also includes weather analysis, performance of weather watch, and understanding the effects of changes in the weather, decoding of NOTAMs and understanding their effects on operations, setting up flight planning parameter scenarios, calculation of flights, definition or modification of route details, filing operational flight plans and generating briefing packages, sending flight plans and updating messages to ATC.